Nice one. Cross, grab. Yeah. Nice one.
Cross grab.
Kapakit mo, place, cross, lalagyan mo ng throw, tsaka mo sa ikot grab. Back, place, cross, grab. Cross, through. Tapos, nice. Cross, through. Grab. Nice. 1, 2. Pocket, place, cross, through, behind, then grab. Place, cross, through, yan, diba? Yan, go, yeah, grab. Slide, yan. Timing lang tayo. Kung sa pupunta yung cone, cross mo lang. Go! Kasi naghihiwalay yung paa mo. Parang natin yung split. Samahan natin siya ng pocket dribble. Kasabay ni pocket dribble, pag nilagyan mo ng split, ang tawag natin dyan, si drop. Gusto ko yung paa mo dito, nakakaslat. 1, 2, 3. Pocket, drop. Foot replacement. Nice one. Foot replace. Nice one. Go! Nice one, go! Nice one, last one. Go, last one. Nice one, go!
Step natin, si right. Ito step natin, si left.
Nice one.
So, 1, 2, 3, drop. Go! Okay.
First step, second step, then finish. Go!
Drop the cone, then go. Gagawin mo,
Place, first step, second step, then finish.
Go.
Drop,
go.
place, first step, second step.
Nice.
Drop.
Down. Drop mo rin. Okay. Then stop mo rito. First step, second step, finish. Go.
Go slide.
Oh, so. Yan, go. First step, second step. Yan, go. Right, nasa right. Yan, go.
Go slide.
Go.
Nice one. Stop the cone.
Patuloy siyang gabayan daw, nakauwi siya dito sa